Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily check app permissions on your Sharp 50 TV. So first, let's go over to all settings. Now here, scroll down to privacy. And now here we have the app permissions right here. So let's click them. And here you will see the contacts, telephone, files and media, and microphone. Also here we can check for other permissions like calendar, call logs, camera, physical activity, location, and SMS. So here you guys can check it out and see which app has these permissions allowed. So basically click, and as you guys can see, only settings has the microphone settings allowed. Here we have the files and media. It's for Google Play Store settings and Google Play Store once more. And this is where you guys can check it. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.